this. So what I'm going to speak is a very, very common topic. And the common topic is that when we talk about nursing profession, nursing that is considered as service to mankind, why we found that the Muslim girls representation is less in number. Although I feel that this profession, nursing profession, has three benefits. First of all, it's a noble task. You are serving somebody, you are doing a noble job. This is service to mankind. This is the first thing, and you get pleasure and happiness of serving others. Secondly, you get lots of employment opportunities. You will not find any nurse sitting idle, that not having the job, and there is a scarcity of jobs for them, and very lucrative salaries as well. This is the second aspect why one should be a nurse. And third, that this is the best way to empower women. We are talking about empowering the women, but we don't know that how to empower them. And we have our own philosophy of empowering. But I think that nursing is one of the best method, one of the best way to empower the women. Now the question is, why Muslim women are less in this? Why representation is less? The only one common reason is that a section of ulama means the religious leaders, they feel that if Muslim female nurses go in this profession, they have to compromise with their modesty. That is the greatest fear. For that reason, they discourage. And when ulama or scholars discourage, then naturally the common people have to follow their instructions, because the common people are more under the impression of the religious people than any other section of the society. And this is common for all the religions, not only with Muslims. So why ulama said that when they go in this profession, it is against their modesty because of their short dress. Earlier these legs are open, hands are open. So because of this, they find it that this is against Islamic dressing. And they say that if it is permitted for them to wear shalwar suit or to wear modest dress, then there is no harm in taking this profession. And I think that nowadays I have seen in many of the hospitals, not only in India, but abroad as well, that their nurses are wearing full costume and full dresses. And there is no compulsion now to wear the skirts and mini skirts and those type of things. So now I think this issue of dressing is almost solved. And if it is not solved, I don't think this is a big issue. I was reading an interview of a nurse, and she is in USA, and she is a Muslim nurse. You will not believe, when I was looking at my contacts, both the mobiles, I didn't have a single contact of any nurse. Then I realized that, oh my God, it means that in my surroundings, in my relatives, in my friend circle, nobody has taken nursing as profession. Then I realized that this is the high time when I have to speak about this and when I have to ask them to take up this profession. So this lady Malak, who has taken this nursing as profession, in spite of the lots of challenges from the society and from the family members, she said that she feels herself so fortunate and happy when she serves. She is in the gynecologist department, and when she delivers the 100th baby, she was so happy, and she has taken the permission from the mother, and she has given this photo on the Facebook, and it was so viral, because a nurse feeling happiness on the achievement of her job, and like 100th baby she has helped to deliver. So that, and she said that she is finding this profession as happy, as charming, as dashing as any other profession. So when Malak can be a nurse and she can feel herself proud herself, and she can feel happiness and joy in nursing, why can't any other Sufia or Rehana or any other girl of this community? That is my question. During the time of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that is called pre-Islamic period, or when Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to preach about his mission, the women at that time used to go to the battlefield with the purpose of nursing. Like they used to carry the first aid boxes along with them, and they used to take care of the injured soldiers, and they used to take care of them. And there are many examples in the holy scriptures and in the books. Now, this is not only as the religious minority, Muslims are considering this profession not suitable for the girls, but in North India, especially when we talk, even the Hindu families also, if we talk about upper caste Hindu families, there also this profession is not well taken. Two things are involved with this. One, the nature of the work. They think the nature of the work is not suitable. And the other thing is that in the small towns, even the midwives are doing those jobs. So they think that this is just a higher version of the midwives. They are not able to understand the importance and significance of the nursing profession. So what I am here to make submission before all the doctors, although I know I am very humble and very tiny and very small to make any submission to anyone because I don't belong to this profession. But my submission is that when cooking was taken as profession, earlier it's used to consider as the housewife's job, but when it was taken as a profession, then how it was made so attractive that the people are taking a pride in being chef. So similarly, we have to work together to make this profession so attractive for the people, for the young minds, for the boys and girls, whether they belong to any community, that they should attract towards this profession and they should feel pride in serving others, and they should feel proud of themselves being associated with this profession. So here on this platform, I request all the girls, and especially from the Muslim minority girls, to kindly take up this profession, work hard, complete the examination, complete the test and competition, and then you take this profession and you feel proud of yourselves that you have got the opportunity to serve others, like Hazrat Rufaida Raziyallahu Anha. She was one of the female companion of Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and she is very famous for this task of nursing the injured people during the battle. So we need more female nurses, and this is my humble request to everyone. Thank you very much.
Dr. Halima, I'd like to give you some good news that
Yes,
you talked about Muslim girls and you talked about North India. So in North India, we are starting a college, inshallah. The work has already started, construction work, and hopefully in a year's time, maybe 14 months, we'll have a beautiful nursing college, and we request you to come over and see it and bless it. Thank you.
Thank you very much. It is really a very good news to all the female of North India. I hope you are starting in Patna or where?
Patna.
In Patna. So this is a matter of pride for even Bihar, for India, for all the girls and women. Thank you very much for taking such wonderful initiatives, sir. So Dr.
Halima, it is really value